Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to contact TikTok support team. So first of all, open a browser and type TikTok feedback and open this first link and enter here your email address. You can enter here your TikTok account username and select a topic. And how can we help you? Inside of this box, you have to write your summary or description about the problem you are facing with, and you can attach a file by tapping on this upload button and check these two options from here and tap on submit, and that's how we can contact with TikTok support team. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.